There is a question that perhaps most people have not thought about, which is why cannons use a circular cross-section barrel. It seems that cannons should be designed this way, and in history there have been barrels with a polygonal cross-section. But that was only a temporary measure in the development of rifling technology. In fact, ancient designers did consider reforming cannons, and in Europe there was a small-scale popularity of square barrels. Cannons with square barrels were mainly used as fortress weapons, with the main task of causing casualties among personnel. For example, the cannon in the picture is from the 16th century, with a barrel diameter of 182 mm, 180 meter. Although the cannon is short, it can hold more lead bullets and stone pellets, like a large shotgun, increasing the area of personnel casualties. The picture shows an experimental towed field gun with a smaller barrel diameter of 80 mm x 230 mm mounted on a wheeled carriage for towing during marches. However, it does not fire many small shot pellets, but rather 3 3-pound shells loaded side by side, as the designers hoped the shells would spread out in a fan shape upon firing. This kind of cannon is not very accurate, as the 3 shells loaded side by side experience different forces and interfere with each other when they exit the barrel, making it impossible to predict where the shells will go unless a large group of people is targeted, in which case they would hit no matter what. There are many such square-barreled cannons, some without inscriptions or clear records of the year of manufacture. The one in the picture is an exhibit at the St. Petersburg Artillery Museum and looks quite well made. The unicorn is an extension of the square-barreled cannon and has proven to be more successful. It served in the Russian army for a long time, possibly from the late 18th century to the early 19th century. The unicorn is also a towed bronze cannon, but it has a more reasonable internal bore design. Its barrel is still circular, but the mouth at the muzzle has a flattened trumpet shape, similar to the principle used in today's shotguns. The biggest advantage of this cannon is that it can fire both shot pellets, enhancing horizontal killing power through the trumpet shape, and also load individual lead bullets to unleash the firepower of conventional cannons. This kind of multifunctional cannon naturally gained the military's favor. Square-barreled cannons once influenced many countries in Europe. The picture shows a cannon located in the Copenhagen Museum, cast in the 18th century. In general, square-barreled cannons are a technological compromise. When cannons could not simultaneously meet the needs of firing individual projectiles and shot pellets, the functions were subdivided, leading to this unique design. With the subsequent development of industrialization, metallurgy, and metal processing technology continued to improve, and people were able to use a single structure to meet both requirements.